What does a frog say?
Ribbit.
Ribbit. Good girl. What does a cat say?
Wow.
Meow. What does a dog say?
Woof. Woof.
What does a cow say?
Moo.
What does an elephant say? What's another one? Sheep. What's a sheep say?
Bah.
What does a lion, did I say lion already? What does a lion say? What? What's a lion say? Okay, that was a baby roar. What does a snake say? What does a horse say? A horse? What's a horse say?
That's a goat.
What about a goat? A goat?
What's a goat say?
Ribbit.
That's a frog, silly. Can you do your fish face? What does a fish say? Very good. High five. You're so smart, baby.
Fish.
A fish, yes. What does an Audrey say?
Audrey.
Audrey. Very good. How old are you?
2.
No, you're not. How old are you?
2.
Baby, you're 1.
He's one.
You're smart though. You good girl.
This.
It's a camera. It's a camera. Can you say hi?
Hi.
Good girl.